Hi, just welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can make this face cream. I have been making use of this face cream after I tried several things before I got into skincare. I made use of different skincare products on my face because then I had dark circle under my eye, I had dark spot all over my face, and I had sunburn all over my face. So I was actually looking for a product that worked for me. So if you are having sunburn, if you are having dark spot and pigmentation or dark circle under your eye, just continue watching this video because I'm going to be reviewing the secret on how you can get that beautiful spotless face. Or if you are a light skinned person, all of a sudden your face becomes dark. Lots of people have told me that their face is getting darker than their body. What will they do? So I'm going to be teaching you how to make this kind of cream that I have here with just simple ingredients that give an active results. I'm sure it's something that you actually want to know. So continue to watching this video. I have 3 products here, but it's 4 products I made use of. So I finished that one and I made use of the container for one of my customers that bought my skincare products, okay, because the container is very beautiful. So what you need is Amos White Sunblock Cream. I will be leaving the picture of the Amos White for you to see them. And you need full container of that Amos White Sunblock Cream. And you need this. This is Kojic Tooth Cream. This is the lemon. So in case the video is not showing the proper picture of the Kojic White, so this is the lemon. I prefer using the lemon of this Kojic White because I have been using the lemon for years now and it works beautifully for me. So I use this to pro-mix facial cream, I use this to pro-mix body cream. So it works better without irritation like some tooth cream that will give you that harsh reaction like a burning sensation. But this one is very mild. So I just love this Kojic Glam. And the lemon one most especially. They have different types, okay, but I just got to find out that this lemon works better for me. So whatever works better for you, you can just stick to that, but I prefer this lemon because it works beautifully for me without giving me any kind of bad reaction. So you can go for this as well. It's very good. Another one that you need to use, so that Kojic White tooth cream, you will need a full of this tooth cream that you're seeing up here, full of it, and full of Amos Sunblock Cream. And you will need this Moroccan essential oil. This is 6-in-1 oil. Get rid of pigmentation, get rid of dark spots, it brightens the skin tone, get rid of wrinkle or even skin tone. So I just love this particular serum. It works beautifully well. So I just put full container of the cover of this essential oil into that cream. And the last product I have here is Nano Half Cast Serum. I will be leaving the picture as well there. Nano Half Cast Serum. This Nano Half Cast Serum, I have made use of this serum. It works beautifully once you are pro-mixing face cream because it's mild. It's made with papaya, with pawpaw, so it's very good on the face. But every other serum can be used on the skin. But for me, I prefer adding this into my facial cream because it's mild on the face. It does not give any irritation, it does not give any burning sensation and all that. There are some serum that will end up burning your face instead of cleaning your face, but I love making use of this serum. So on this serum, I just add 2 cover of this serum into my face cream, 2 cover of this, 2 of this into the cream. So what you need to do is to mix everything together. You mix all the items together that I listed for you here, and you are going to be leaving it for 24 hours. The reason why you are leaving it for 24 hours is because you have added different things together, so you allow it to blend together. After 24 hours, you can start using your facial cream. It's ready without giving you any bad reaction. You're actually going to love the results. So go and try this and give me your feedback. Remember, good skin begins with good health. Do take care of your skin. Do take care of your health. See you in my next video.